Secondary School.
Kwa ihinda, aikari a itura ria Tot mwena wa Elgeyo Marakwet makoretwo makigumirwo ni uhaguku wa thayo uria ucungireirio ni uici wa mahiu na utigite andu karundo makuite na angi makihonia nguraro.
We came here because of the insecurity events that took place the last 2 weeks. Unfortunately, we have lost several lives, and as a result, these leaders expressed serious concern.
Minister wa ugitiri ni akinyereirie ati thirikari ni yambikite uthuthuria wa andu kana ikundi iria cingikorwo cigicugira muingi. Agiteterithia ati ndangĩtĩkĩra ciĩko ta ici ithie na mbere makiria rĩrĩ bũrũri werekeire gĩthurano-inĩ.
The government is going to take its security responsibility, but also those of us who are in leadership and wananchi will take our part of the responsibility.
Atongoria a kaunti ino maugite ati ruhonge rwa ugitiri ni rugondereire wira-ini wa guikia ngono ekinae aya ona thutha wa aikari kuheana maritwa mao.
That some of these criminals, because they are known, they say that their names are known, I have given them 7 days to surrender the names and share those people with the police, or else we will go for them, because that is what will happen. We don't want this to happen in our country.
Ginyagia riu andu 7 ni moragitwo kahinda-ini ga kiumia kimwe, umwe wao ari murutwo wa University ya Laikipia. Kiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Jabi Wanjaũ.